Hello everyone, so on the behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society, I Aarti welcome you all. Today I'm gonna talk about a very interesting innovative idea compiled by ZIIEI, that is Zero Investment Innovation for Educational Initiatives. In this video I'm gonna talk about an innovative idea called naming method from new age teaching techniques by the innovative teachers of Uttar Pradesh. The chapter I'll be covering from this idea is Hidden Treasure from NCERT Class 4, Chapter 12. The subject is English and the time duration for the activity is 20 minutes, but also depends on the strength of your class. The innovation is to bring ritual practice of naming into learning pedagogy. The idea helps in building the interconnection among the concepts taught by replacing actual names with allotted name for a particular time period. The concept is to revise the first and second form of the verb. So for this activity, teacher need to give student individual names, and then but the chosen name should have a scope for value addition. Assign this name to students and after 2 days add values to the name by defining it further. For example, assign some verbs to the student, like the name of the student 1 is work, the name of the student 2 is want, the name of the student 3 is divide, the name of the student 4 is hide. After 2 days, ask them to add new information to their name, and the information would be the second form of the verbs. Like for the second form of the work is worked, the second form of want is wanted, the second form of divide is divided, the second form of hide is hid. This will lead the revision of the concept. Through this innovation idea, the student infer the meaning of unfamiliar words by reading them in context. They respond verbally in English to the questions on day-to-day experience and story read. They respond to simple instructions, announcement in English made in the class, and write type dictation of short paragraph. This idea encourages students to find more about their assigned name. This activity ensures the active participation of the student inside the classroom, which is a key aspect of peer learning. Core life skills that can be included are critical thinking and effective communication skills. Values that can be touched upon are equally believing uh, everyone deserves equal rights and to be treated with respect and fairness, acting to just way, sharing appropriately. The children with learning disabilities often struggle with remembering and retaining new academic words, so that will be a better way of learning. Slow learner or visual learners will look into words and colors or symbols frequently and will have a better retention. Children with intellectual disabilities will become part of the class environment and will learn to respond to changes accordingly. For this interesting innovative idea, that's all. I hope you like the video. If you want more interesting videos from us, then please like, share and subscribe our official channel of ZIIEI. You can download our official ZIIEI Innovative Pathshala app from Google Play Store. That's all. Thank you.